and welcome back to another episode of Lefty's Workshop. Today I am driving to go pick up a new project. Not just any project. We are picking up a big vise. So join me on this trip, it's not very far, to go pick up a vise. A few episodes back, I had mentioned that I am tired of my little puny How Foundry vise. It's kind of bent. Today we are picking up a big boy vise that I found on my favorite website, Marketplace. That with eBay. So it's the right price. It's big. It's made in New England, and we're going to restore it on the channel. What else more is there to say? That's just all the excitement you need in one day, huh? So we're here waiting for the guy in the grocery store parking lot. Hopefully he's not a creeper. I don't like creepers. Yeah, hopefully this is just a give him the money, put the vise in the truck, and get out of here. There's nothing worse when you buy stuff from people on Marketplace and they try talking to you about stuff. I don't want to talk. No. I just want the thing. And then go. No talk. Just go. So if you sell stuff on Marketplace, no talk. Just sell. That's what you gotta do. So there we go. Looks pretty good. Guy was nice. Showed me the thing, told me how long he had it, took the money and went. Perfect Marketplace transaction. This is an old ass Littleston Howe and Foundry Company vise that I dislike. It's bent, it's wobbly, it's just crappy. This needs to go away. Which brand do I want to use? Let's go with Billings. We select this American-made wrench, taking off an American-made vise. Scratch it. Would you believe this? 1/2 inch, too big. 7/16, too small. We gotta go to the Germans to do this job? Take 2. We have my 1960s or 70s Stallwilly 3/8 drive set in metric. Let's see what size this is. It is not 13. Yeah, it's not 13. Ooh, it is 10. I hate to say this. The Germans are doing it better. Say farewell to the Littleston. And here we have my American-made, New England-made, boom, vise. Yes. No, I'm not restoring this yet. I will. But I still have several projects ahead of this. I have a Yankee vise tag I need to make. And you have a video on a Cuban drill press I must finish. A video on a Swedish, I think, wrench over there. And little Lefty Jr. and I have to finish up this set before we do a video on this vise. But I'm eager and I want to mount it. Now, annoyingly, it has to come apart to be mounted. But yeah, how hard could that be? We pick an appropriate. Is it going in? Now we go back to the Germans to help us mount this American vise, but this time, big Germans. Oh. Dooga. Yeah. That's not going anywhere. And there you have it. My 1906 Parker semi-steel solid bar number 49 Big Boy Vise is mounted.